My hammer's ready for you. What do we have here? I'm constantly surprised by my own skills. I'll keep my... My hammer at the ready.
Go, Homura!
You, a word, your pay, as promised. Where did you learn how to fight so well?
By finishing battles for samurai like you.
A man with a shorter temper would arrest you for such a comment. But I cannot spare the time.
Or the men.
Indeed. We have lost many in this campaign against the Oni. Still, we cannot allow him to repair that castle and complete Lord Saito's seat of power.
He won't finish it.
I wish I had your confidence, stranger. Goodbye.
That Goro is still the samurai's prisoner. Hopefully they let me in. Settlers are helping to build their bridge.
Not looking for any problems.
We are trading one master for another.
Clan Matsumai doesn't burn people alive or work them to death.
The bridge is nearly finished. If I climb across, I may see another way into the camp.
Why wait to send for reinforcements?
By the time they arrive, the bridge will be complete. Because if something goes wrong, they'll be stuck in that canyon, vulnerable to Oni raider attacks. I'm sick of fighting the odd skirmish. I want to do something. You sound like the old someone. I heard he tried to assassinate.
I'll see more from higher up. There we go. I can see the entire camp. Now to find a way inside. The Oni's training is more brutal than Clan Matsumae's, and more effective. Jubei. I can't worry about him right now. I can enter the camp from up there.
Same time tomorrow, gentlemen?
I know that voice.
Another visit to the hot springs might loosen my memory.
Take him back to his cell.
Mad Goro. Making friends wherever you go. Where are they taking you? To the edge of the camp. Lucky. I'll wait until mealtime. There'll be fewer guards. The way is clear. Slip in, question Goro, then get out. The samurai will never know.
That's my dinner? Oh, I'm starving. Well, well, well. If it isn't my old friend. To what do I owe the pleasure?
Rumor has it you know a way into the Oni's castle.
Maybe. Why should I tell you?
Because I can get you out of here.
The Matsumai are good to their prisoners. Regular food and baths. My rash has even cleared up.
They won't be so nice once you run out of information.
I still have my winning personality.
Are you willing to gamble your life on that?
Fine. Break me out and I'll tell you what you want to know.
Where are the keys?
With the gods.
Too risky. I'll find another way to free you. Those boards look loose. Try pulling them.
With my bare hands? I'd get splinters.
Just do it.
No luck. And I popped the blister.
If I can get inside, my hook could pull them free.
Sometimes they wake up wet. Maybe there is a hole in the roof?
Why else would you... Never mind. Don't answer that. There's some old patchwork up here. Maybe I could...
Hey there. I have an idea.
What did you do?
I hit it with my chamber pot. Don't worry, I'm naturally dehydrated.
Ugh. Someone might have heard. We need to go. I'll go first.
Worried I will run?
You have it. Let's go.
All right, all right.
Wait. I hear someone.
You just couldn't stay away.
Matt Goro is my bounty.
You're already wanted by the Yotei 6. Are you so determined to make an enemy of the Matsumai as well?
I don't care about your clan.
Then care about me. I've built a life amongst these samurai.
They don't even know what happened to you that night.
And I don't want them to.
Is now a bad time to mention no one brought me dinner?
I'll let the gods know. I have to escort my sister outside of Ishikari Plain.
You can't be serious.
You infiltrated a Matsumai camp and attempted to free one of our prisoners. I should be arresting you. Now come on. There'll be hell to pay if Commander Wada sees you. This way.
Safe travels!
Look, I admit our last plan was hasty. But with Matt Goro's help, we can sneak in without alerting the Oni.
We've tried to kill him twice, you and I. It's time for a different approach. The bridge is nearly complete. Soon hundreds of samurai will pour across it to defeat the Oni in battle.
A battle will achieve nothing except needless death.
Enough! I won't be swayed from my duty.
Matsumai! To arms!
Oni raiders! She's with us!
Commander Wada said...
Focus on the Oni raiders! This is our camp! We will not yield!
Here they come!
For the Oni!
They're through the gate!
We're Clan Matsumai!
not the one who killed the snake. She's going to get you! I kill you, I gain a reputation.
This area is clear.
Good work! Lord Kitamori! Oni raiders on the ridge!
More Bohia.
They're targeting the bridge. This is retribution for our attack at the castle.
I'll deal with the Bohia. You protect the camp.
This isn't your fight.
You want my help or not?
Thank you, Atsu.
Matsumai, with me! Back to the camp!
Light-ridden bastards. The Oni raiders have pushed Jubei back to the bridge. We need to get their attention. Let's give them a taste of their own fire. That's it. Look at me. Come on. Fire spreading. Jimmy! Damn it! I'm coming, brother. Jubei won't last long. time. Need to get to Jubei. Jubei!
They won't take this bridge!
We'll fight them off together!
There's more coming!
Stay close, I'm with you!
It's them. The rats who tried to kill the Oni.
You will regret coming here! Read us, come! How long has the Oni been planning this?
Doesn't matter, just keep fighting!
I'm here! So many of them!
The man in front of you is all that matters!
It's them. The rats who tried to kill the Oni.
You will regret coming here! Read us, come! How long has the Oni been planning this?
Doesn't matter, just keep fighting!
I've got you! So many of them!
The man in front of you is all that matters!
You tried to take my life. Did you think there wouldn't be consequences?
You murdered our father and left me to burn! Don't talk to me about consequences.
Oni, let's finish this as warriors!
Warriors? I see only children. Children too weak to save their father or themselves. Fire!
Jubei! Come on, we have to swim.
The bridge. My men.
Swim, Jubei. It's a long way to shore.
It's over.
Jubei,
I must return to camp. This is all my fault.
that bridge was a threat to the castle. Lord Saito's future seat of power. The Oni was always going to attack.
You never were very good at comforting me.
Because you get upset at the wrong things. You almost died today.
I thought if I could save that bridge... I don't know. The camp's on top of this ridge.
What are you expecting to find?
I have to see it. The survivors will retreat to the northern camp.
Guess that's where you will go.
Back on the bridge. You said the Oni left you to burn.
They pinned me to the tree with Father's sword. Then the Oni put a torch to it. I pulled myself free before I caught fire.
What?
I don't want your pity. Just for you to understand why I can't let this go.
I'm sorry. I expected you to follow the rules of my life. Without knowing the first thing about yours.
You tried. But I've been alone for so long.
I will help you kill the Oni.
But what about your duty to the Matsumae?
Let me worry about that. You need to find a new lead. I doubt Mad Goro survived the Oni's attack.
I wouldn't be so sure.
What did you do?
I loosened a board so he could escape.
I'll ask if anyone's heard about Mad Goro at the northern camp. Tell the guards, Lord Kitamori is expecting you. They'll let you in.
You're going to tell us everything we want to know about this Onyo.
To the northern camp then, boy.